Hi guys, welcome back to the Risk Castle. So I hope you're all fine and safe. So I'm gonna tell you about one toy. This is very cool toy. It's a name of Fidget. So I'm gonna tell you about them. They're made of rubber and they're very cool and very nice. I love the color combination. One is for my brother, one is for me, and this is very hard, but this is very easy to do. So let's get started to show you guys how to play this. So guys, this is very hard. As you can see, these lines are coming, but it's okay. This is already done, so I'm gonna turn out this one. It's very easy, right? So guys, how you like these? These are very awesome. I bought this from the mall, and there's some different shapes and sizes. I love it so much, and I'm just playing it every day and each day. So I hope you buy and play. And this is not sponsored.